Okay, here's a better shot of the lights if they didn't fix them yet. Here's a better view at them. This is 101. And look at that, they got it fixed. Alright, EOT by me at 749er. Well, I pray that the crew on FEC 101 has a safe trip home after running over a trespasser in Melbourne. Pray you guys get better, and pray you guys have a safe trip home. Well, it's BBT 609 at County Road 512 East on the Florida East Coast Main Line. Out.